Today we're going to program move statements on the Omron PLC using the CX Programmer software. We already have an initial program started where we have one button from our touchscreen turning on a light on our touchscreen. So we're going to add a move statement to our program. So first we're going to have a contact, and it can be just any button that you want. We're going to put a button from our touchscreen W5.01. And we don't care about a comment in this program. So we're going to use our function block and put our function block in there, and we're going to type in MOV for our move statement, and then we're going to move the number 20 into data register 0. So we're moving this number, this constant number, into our data register D0. And again, we're not worried about a comment in this program. And then we have to connect our dots because we have a red bar on there. And we do that by holding the control button and then using our arrows to fill in our lines. Now we want to add a timer to our program, and it's just going to be TIM, and then this will be timer 0. And instead of using a value or a number that we're going to type in, we're going to use the value in the data register D0. So we'll type in D0, and then this will be our preset value for our timer. Whatever we move into D0 will be our preset for our timer. And then we will also need an input to turn on our timer, and we will use W5.02 to turn on our timer. And again, we will have to connect our dots to make our timer usable. Then we want to download this to the PLC by first going online, and it will ask you the connection path, and that is correct. And then we will transfer to the PLC. And it's asking us what we want to transfer. We want to transfer the program, the settings, symbols, the comments, and the program index. And then this will telling us that we are going to overwrite the program that is in the PLC. In this case, it doesn't matter. And this will stop the PLC. So if this is on a machine, the machine would stop whenever we click the yes button. And now it is transferring our program. Okay, and this will start the machine back to run. Now if we press the W1, it moves our 20 into our destination, and now you also know that we have 20 in our timer. So whenever we hit 5-2, our timer counts 2 seconds because these are 100 millisecond timers, so 20 is 2 seconds. So that is how we use our move instruction to program a timer to have a different preset value in the Omron CX Programmer.